Hey guys.
Hi.
So today we're going to IKEA.
Yes, we're gonna get furniture.
So I'm gonna try and get a chest of drawers.
Yeah.
If I see any that I like, let me fix my
Cute
clothes.
ones. Cute ones.
Yes. So come on,
Let's
us.
go.
This is SHIN-YOKOHAMA, guys. And so we're here and we're gonna take the shuttle bus that will take us to IKEA. So here is SHIN-YOKOHAMA. Whenever you see this sign, Koban, it means police. So that's the police station right there. The IKEA bus. Organic. So look at my closet. Your clothes in here.
I thought it was your closet.
Yeah, I have clothes, you know. It looks really nice, doesn't it? Look at this full body mirror. What, $8,000? I like that they actually put stuff in here. This stuff.
Yeah, it's a home store, man. And the promotion open and then show you everything that you can do with everything.
Wow, this is nice.
Sashi's in the walk-in closet, guys.
So this is my husband's closet actually. He's at work, you know, he's a working man. But I'm just quickly showing you guys his area of the house. They even have books.
At the photos.
This would look really good as like a prop for my background. What do you think?
I like it. I think you should get that one.
Yeah, I think so. Maybe.
Alright, we're looking around.
The table is set, guys. Look at this. Nice. Look at the price. Look at this fridge. Guys, this is my daughter's room, you know? Yeah, my daughter's room. Ooh. It feels nice. Okay, so this is where we want to be.
Yay.
This is why we came here, guys. This is what, 39,000, way over my budget. Is this the one?
19,000.
What the hell? This girl told me $9,000.
Here's the same drawer. Like this.
$9,000 and it's actually $19,000. Damn, girl, you set me up. 2, 4, 5.
Yeah. I might just get it.
At least I'll have something to put my, what do you call it? like my lotion and stuff like that, because I actually have nowhere to put stuff like that. This was $32,000, really? 32,000. This is actually more expensive. Why though? Maybe because of the metal stuff. Maybe. And inside looks a lot better.
Oh, this is nice. What's this? How much is that?
This is for 29.
And this is for 4,500.
Oh, so I have to pay extra for this?
Yeah, because this don't come with it.
What the hell? No.
This is cute though. This is a really freaking...
This is what? No, this is less storage, so this wouldn't make any sense. If it came as a set, like the glass and this, then I probably would have considered it. But since not, since it doesn't, yeah, no, this doesn't make any sense. So I think I'm gonna get the $19,000 one. Yeah, which I thought was for 9,000. This looks nice. But this is for 29,000. But this is more storage. But I don't think I'll have the space for all of this. I definitely don't have the space in my apartment. How much for this? Let's see. 39. 40,000. 29. This is for 15,000. But I don't like it. So for shipping, it's actually 4,500 to carry it to your apartment, 5,500 to take it to your room. We spend more than $30,000 and we get free shipping. So I'm thinking instead of paying 5,500 for shipping, I'm gonna just try and bring it up to $30,000 so I can get a little more value for my money. Guys, I think I'm gonna get this one instead because it is for 28,300 and it has like a hanging area which I don't have currently at home, so this would be perfect for me. I'll show you guys the bottom. Yeah, this is nice space.
Because you have 3 drawers and up here.
Yeah, because I need stuff. That's why I don't even iron stuff to go to work anymore because I don't have anywhere to put them. This means that it's out of stock, so they don't have this in stock right now. So I have to probably wait or try and order online. Unfortunately, so I don't think I'm gonna leave here with anything. But we're gonna continue to look around and see if there's anything that we like. Yeah, if not, then we have to wait until they have it in stock again.
Yeah.
It's too expensive to 72,000. Look at this shoe rack. But this is pricey though.
I wouldn't buy a shoe rack for no reason at all.
Yeah, because I don't want my shoe to be
open closet. Like,
like that.
This is just waste of money. Like if you have an open closet and you put your shoes, you can stack them. But
and these are like doors for cabinets, I guess. Yeah. Oh, look at the little dinosaur. Whomever design like IKEA stuff, they really do a good job.
I think it's, what company is it? Isn't it like a Netherlands or something European?
I have no idea. This is for 15,000.
These are stuff and you can make like different shelves if you don't want it like this. So it's good.
I'm wondering, would this make sense? You prefer this one or the
the other one, because the other one has 2 full drawers and then a top part where the clothes come down. So this don't have any drawers, so you're gonna have a hard time stacking stuff. But for a kid, yeah, not for you. We are here in the kids' room.
Yeah.
Sash decided to come visit me and my family. We are here.
Yeah. Where are the kids, Fran?
I think they're in the playhouse, the one that you just passed.
Okay, the one right here. Let me show you guys. Yeah, right there. Ooh, this is actually a bed. I didn't even realize. We have to take up gloves. Ooh, the Lord.
mustard and ketchup.
I got rice. I got some chicken, fries. What is this?
Cinnamon roll.
Cinnamon roll. Strawberries. And ketchup with water.
How much did that cost you?
$1,709.
Yen.
This is cute. Sheet set. Yeah. And these probably easy to dirty up. You get these colors. Brown or pink. It's time to leave this place, and here's the bus. What we wanted, they don't have it, so we gotta wait until maybe a month or so, and then we come back here to try and get the stuff. So we have to check online to see if they restock. But at least we got to see what they have, and then we have an idea of what we want. Part time.
Huh?
Park. Going to the park.
Oh yeah, we're going to the park now, guys. So see you at the park.
In the fabric store. So we are at a fabric store in Yokohama, and I'm gonna get fur for my floor. So I think, what do you think about this? Oh no, this doesn't go well with my
Cheetah print goes well with everything.
Really? But
I like the big one, the bigger.
I think it just has more. It's the same length.
Oh, the print is not as big. Oh, that's tiger. Sorry, tiger.
Yes, no.
And a cheetah, tiger.
Yes, no.
I like fur better. Because if it's cheetah, the black parts would be like pronounced and you could see everything.
How about this one? Oh, this is big.
These are gonna come off, but this one is not.
Yes, no, what?
What color do you like?
I think this one goes well.
It's pretty. I love that one. I love white.
So this.
Although I have gray now, but I love white.
So now I need to find somebody to cut it.
You want to cover the whole floor or just the middle part?
I'm just gonna buy 1 yard. So
Okay.
whatever 1 yard can do, then I'll just work with it.
Alright, good.
Yeah. This reminds me of high school when we had to buy fabric for art class. Pings and tumbles. Okay. So we just carry this like
To the cashier.
okay.
Let's go.
One yard. That's kind of short. Waiting.
You want more?
Waiting.
You can get more if you want.
Yeah.
1.5? One
Oh,
meter.
1.5.
All the way to the back. Yay!
I'm gonna try the milk one.
Milk?
Yeah.
Okay. What about mango and cream?
Definitely mango, of course. I want almond.
Almond?
Yeah, I love almond.
Cappuccino? No.
Coconut.
Yay!
So this is hazel. This is coconut. Which one are you gonna get, Fran?
Coconut.
I think this is enough chocolate for me.
Oh, 81.
Hi. Nice bag. Ooh.
Can you give us a ring right ASAP?
Yeah, I do. Anyways, guys, so we're
Both
at...
rings, like this ring and the phone ring.
Yeah, I really need one, you know?
Yeah.
Anyways, guys.
We're in Miami Beach. We got our back.
Yeah,
Just
we're
kidding,
in Miami.
Bahama.
Yeah, we're at Bay Quarters. We're on
Yes.
top of the roof.
Yes, enjoying the view.
But up here it's a little chilly and a little windy. Enjoy nature
Yes.
on the rooftop. I'm so tired.
That's because we've been sitting out here for a while.
Talking and things. So I'm gonna end. Yeah, I'm cold. I'm gonna end the vlog here today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Yes, and also check out Fran's channel. I'm gonna leave it in the description box below, and let her know that I sent you over there. Yes. All right, guys. Until
Bye.
next time.
Bye.